Buseane, Iwike Wako Osi, and that's how blessed she is for all those kau fai whekau na mo fai e loto make maalute. Koe aho nia, koe whakahat watu pe ke whakakato e tau ki whatongia, ke aia ke hamo ki tuti, e lava e whatongia koe ni. Ka koe no whakatoa, o whakamalo, malo au pito, kai pasia ki o taho koe ni ke whakakakato e whatongia, o ngai whae malo. I want to honor the executive member, Pastor Sanjay Kandrigla, who has offered, has been so generous in offering this beautiful venue, his church, for tonight's event. So the next cake is for Pastor Sanjay Kandrigla. It's my pleasure also to honor the chairperson of the chairman of the Waiwhanua Tonga Methodist. Even though he's my brother-in-law, his prayers are treasured by this family. So, whaiwhekau te vita whinau. Celebrate Luther's 21st with my nephew, who is here on behalf of our late brother, Palestini Purmoi Aipolo. So Dr. Stephen Aipolo is here with Anne, and it's our family always treasure the bond, not just in blood, but in spirit. Keke ai tokoni takio ngal whakatoa ka kai tonga a whawhikau pentu i tupo. Kore peki hataha. Keke hoko koe keke ai tau baanga whawhikau sales lolohea. Sian Perkaono. The next cake is for Pastor Nasona Toala. Lute can introduce Valetti to the pastor after tonight's event, and she can explain to her. Koe ke hono hoko o ku fiafia pe a Lute ke whakahonga i kau poate ngā oe a Connection City Church. Koe keke ia a tikoni te vita fifita. Keke hoko koe keke a tikoni taha pe mau kau ngawe tonga lo mori. Our last deacon, Daniela Pita. Is to Lute's adopted sister, Bianca Leilua.